What's up? This is Charles here. I just wanted to go over something that's very important for you today. You want to listen. I wanted to talk about what exactly you want in life. Most of us, we look at nice cars, we look at pretty girls, we look at lots of money, and we think that that's what we want. And if somebody handed that to you today, maybe you'd be happy, right? But you didn't really get it yourself, right? Deep down, what you really want is to be able to be the person who can get those things. How do you become that person? The only way is to go through the fire. If it was easy, everybody would do it. What I wanted to tell you today is very simple. Some of you think that it's the material wealth outside of you that you want. In actuality, it's just like the great motivational speaker Jim Rohn says, it's not what you get, it's who you become. You don't respect people who had their wealth handed down to them, like Paris Hilton or something. You respect the person who has been through it all, who can handle themselves. So, as you begin today, just let that inform your decisions. Remember that to be tough, to be resilient. And sooner or later, not in fast spurts, but over time, you will get what you are aiming at. I'll see you guys next time.